Marvin Devine, DC, Neverland, Virginia, what up? I got you.
So, don't give him a mic.
We're gonna keep it old school with this one.
Let him rap, okay?
Just a beat of the mic.
Okay.
That's all I need, man.
Whenever you're ready, Mr.
Devontae,
Divine.
we gonna touch this million, bro. Tyler Siegel.
Show the world that you don't play that.
Everybody, I gotcha. They say, how does it feel to be worth a mill without having a deal? My money hits ADHD, it never stays still, so it raises. His album ain't labeled as most hated, claiming I'm so basic, but may not hit a bass in your ride. If you're playing my records, thinking you fly, the one your girl wanna join my team, you be like, nah, baby, he ain't worth a dime. Spend that money on some Mickey D's. I'm just trying to feast on caviar from overseas. I don't like fish, but my bait weight grows. I'm with Santa Claus vocabulary, that's 3 hoes. Thinking you the man, cause you messing with my old girl. She ain't break my heart, I just got tired of broke girls. The ones from high school were in my past tense. Now they searching for me, got 'em roaming like an Aztec. Wish I ain't focused on them in my classes. Maybe I could've gone to my graduation practice.
And the flow will get hotter in 5, 4, 3, 2.
But yeah, I made it out, flexing my diploma. Success is all over me, you can tell from the aroma. I see why my mama named me Marvin, cause I'm starving for this success. And when I get it, what's next? I'll never leave my city hanging like a chain on my neck. So I'ma put it on the cap, so we always ahead. Everybody trying to get fed, but ain't working for bread. So beef eats in the streets till they're eating with feds. And that's dead, huh? That's what we say in the DMV. I'm trying to get those initials pictured on MTV. Cause everybody need to know the city that I'm in. Pottery class on, something radio's gotta spin. I'ma be all you see, haters take a swim. Put my heart in this song, hey yo, who need an extra limb? They see me walking with a limp, thinking that I'm pimping. That's the effect your pockets give when you got money, yeah.
Wow, excuse my language, but damn, yeah, he just went ham.
Yeah, I gotcha.